about three roles in AI which anyone can pursue. Some roles are code centric, and some roles are no code or low code centric. One of them is prompt engineering, wherein you can be hired as a prompt engineer in AI product development. And number
Okay.
two, you can be an agentic AI developer, which is a low code role, wherein your job is mostly to leverage existing AI platforms or frameworks to develop AI agents. You can also take up AI consultant role, wherein you will be working with businesses to leverage the existing AI tools and AI agents to empower businesses. That is
Mm-hmm.
also one role that you can go for. These are the three popular roles which are low code and no code for someone who are aspiring to come into AI domain.